Alright, so right now, as you can see, it's been a while since I've worked on this thing, and we got a lot of bolts. And so right now I'm trying to put the power steering pump together, trying to figure out what bolts they are, and I'm pretty sure they're probably these ones, because look, I was smart and actually wrote on them. And I'm pretty sure the power steering pump goes somewhere right here, on here. And we got to sort through all this stuff, all these boxes of parts, some power speeds here, parts, GoPro box. So let's see if what I got over here will fit. I tried looking up on Google, and I think these are the ones. So got the jams going, you know. I want to say, oh, look at that. Thread in and everything. Google, man, works wonders. Jordan's got the jams going today. This one goes maybe here. Oh, we cooking with some gas today. This one. Alright, so alternator, don't need that one right now. Alternator. So I'm pretty sure they forgot to give me some bolts. What else is there? Because I need whatever one holds that right about there, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna have to hold off on this for now. Why don't we see what else we got over here. I guess we can test fit the intake manifold, or I don't know, guys. What do you think we should put on today? I guess I could start pulling the oil pan apart for the oil pump. So spin this around. It's kind of put this down for a second. All right, it's like 90 degrees in here. So now that I know they gave me the right stuff, it's been a hassle with this thing and ordering all the wrong parts. Start pulling the oil pan off, get access to the oil pump.